Welcome. This is a low-impact, gentle step aerobics workout. If you don't have a step, no worries, you don't need one, but it is a great addition for intensity. As always, feel free to modify or skip anything that doesn't feel right. Let's move in ways that make us feel good. Let's begin marching, lifting the knees as high as you'd like. Maybe even add in the arms. Throughout this exercise, feel free to play with arm movements, make it your own. Get ready to step out to the right, back to center, and then step to the left. 3, 2, 1. Back to marching. Toe tap, right foot leads. Right foot leads, heel tap. And we'll march. Right basic, right foot steps up, making sure your foot is fully on the stepper as you're stepping. Don't worry if you can't keep up, it will get easier with time. Just keep going. Knee lift leading with the left in 3, 2, 1. Feel free to add in the arms. Right basic. Kick through, lead with the left in 3, 2, 1. Left basic. Right knee lifts in 3, 2, 1. Right basic. Next, watch how I'm going to switch to the left basic in 3, 2, 1. Kick through with the right foot. And let's march. Lifting the knees as high as you'd like. Step out to the left, center, and then the right. And we'll begin to march. Great, go ahead and toe tap the step. Perfect, heel tap, heel tap. And we'll march. Perfect. Begin to step out and then step back in. Begin to march. Inhaling the hands. Nice deep breath cycles here. Inhale, reach tall. Exhale, side stretch to the left. Inhale, back up. Exhale to the right. And we'll gently release. Take the feet wide and begin to sway the arms gently side to side. Perfect. Coming back to center, stand up tall, hinging at the hips, begin to fold forward, stopping when you feel that stretch, just a light stretch, nothing more. And you have the option here, if the body allows it, to gently bend the knees, rocking side to side. And we'll gently roll all the way up. Inhale. Lifting the hands up overhead. Release them back down. We'll inhale, reach. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining.